According to Ayurveda, imbalance in doshas leads to discomfort, disease, and distress. Let's look at the early warning signs. When Vata is imbalanced, dry skin, constipation, joint pain, anxiety, overthinking, insomnia, irregular appetite, and restlessness. When Pitta is imbalanced, burning sensation, acidity, loose motions, anger, irritability, and skin rashes, intense hunger and sensitivity to heat. When Kapha is imbalanced, heaviness, laziness, weight gain, congestion, sinus, lack of motivation, and dullness of mind. Recognizing these early symptoms is the first step toward healing. Here are the suggestions for treating Vata imbalance. Use warm sesame oil for self-massage, eat warm, cooked foods with ghee, practice grounding yoga, and deep breathing. Here are the suggestions for treating Pitta imbalance. Apply cooling oils like Brahmi or coconut oil. Drink herbal teas with fennel, coriander, or licorice. Avoid spicy, sour, and fermented foods. Here are the suggestions for treating Kapha imbalance. Use dry powders like Triphala for detox. Start your day with honey and hot water. Practice energizing yoga and brisk walking. Consistency is indeed key when it comes to maintaining balance in the doshas. Daily habits such as a healthy diet, exercise, and stress management techniques can have a significant impact on overall health and well-being. Home remedies can certainly help maintain balance, but if symptoms persist or if you're experiencing chronic issues, it's important to consult an Ayurvedic practitioner. They can provide personalized guidance and treatments based on your specific needs and imbalances. Remember, your body is always trying to communicate with you, so don't ignore the whispers before they turn into roars. Booking a consultation with an Ayurvedic practitioner can help you understand your imbalances and guide you towards balanced and healthy life. Remember, balance is key.